Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS button hover effect. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and the title is CSS button hover effect. Inside the body, we want to create a div and we want to type button. Let's save the file. The button is now visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file. The margin is okay now. Let's start to style our body. Display flex, justify content center and align items center. Height is 100 VH and width 100%. Background color is #262626FF. Refresh. The background color is okay now. Let's start to style our div. Display flex and justify content is center. Align items center and height is 100 pixel, width 300 pixel and color is white and font size is 50 pixel. Font weight is bold and font family is sans serif and letter spacing is 1 pixel. Box shadow 1 pixel, 40 pixel black. And we want to add border radius 20 pixel. Cursor is pointer. Let's save the file. The button is okay now. Next, div before. Inside this, content and position is absolute and display block. Background color is transparent. Height 100 pixel, width 50 pixel and border radius is 20 pixel. Z index is -1. Next, div over before. Inside this we want to add the animation anim and 1 second is in out and forwards. We want to create our animation, keyframes and animation name anim. Inside this 0%, width 100 pixel and background color is #0094FFFF. Copy this 0% and paste it one time. This is 100% and this is 300. Save the file. Refresh. It's looking nice hover effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.